Hey everybody, welcome back to Digital Pizza. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've had a video, but it's mainly because we've been working on the shop and I haven't really been focusing on the bikes the last couple of weeks, but I'm about to get back on the bikes again, the restoration of the two CBXs and the 1100F. But anyway, to bring you up to date on the shop, as you recall in the previous videos, we're building a little diner right here in the shop to kind of hang out in and get our refreshments and all that stuff. So we've been working on that. And then also the pool table is going to have a really interesting ceiling above it. We're not quite finished yet, but let me pan up here and show you what we're doing. This is flexible neon, and I've designed a circular ceiling above the pool table, and the flexible neon that's hanging down will go on these two half circles here to complete the circle at the top. So it's overhanging over here, and you can see the circular pattern there, and then the two halves down on the pool table will connect right here, creating an 8-foot circle above the 8-foot pool table, and the neon will be right above it. Across the neon will be two fluorescent tubes. For when we're actually playing pool, it'll light it up like daytime. This flexible neon stuff is really cool stuff. It's completely flexible, bulletproof. You can drop it, you can stomp on it, whatever you want. It comes in a lot of different colors, and it looks exactly like real neon. So that's really going to be a fun thing. So then on the overhang here, we're actually going to, I've got a brace up there holding it, but we're actually going to build a theater marquee up there. And then on the outer shelf there, I'm going to put my little pedal car, which you've seen in past videos. So that'll be part of the marquee up there. So you ask, what does that have to do with a motorcycle restoration shop? It really doesn't have anything to do with a motorcycle restoration shop, but it makes it really cool. And it makes it much more desirable to hang out in. I have friends that come over and hang out, and then I'll have parties in here and so on. So that's really going to be a lot of fun. And then down below the pool table here, we've got a big screen TV, which we're going to put on that wall back there. So we still have all our lumber and all this junk around here. So, but right there in the corner, I'm going to have a little typical 50s diner chair and stools and a table or a booth or whatever. And then across the bar here, there'll be bar stools as well. And then right here in the round portion, I'm going to have a big neon clock. And all this will be painted up with probably red, black, and white. Maybe some yellow there too. And then we have to construct the new stairs going up to the loft, which will become part of the diner as well, because this other cabinet right here will go under the stairs, which will be an extension of the cabinet inside the diner. And I'll have a bunch of stuff on display there. So anyway, that's an update on the shop, and I'll have more videos on that probably this weekend. This weekend we're going to put these other two halves up and the rest of the neon up so that it completes all 6 circles, and then that ceiling structure will be done. So, and then at some point when we're all finished, all of this floor right here is going to be black and white checkerboard, and it'll come out and follow the circular pattern of the ceiling above, the overhang portion above. It'll follow that same line. And then the rest of the shop will repaint the floor again, and it'll still be the gray color for the bikes. So anyway, next week I'll be getting back on the bikes again, continuing to tear down the CBX engines that I did a video before. And then also I'm going to start tearing the 1100F down and get the frame to the powder coaters and get the restoration process started on that bike. So anyway, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. And please hit the subscribe button, and then I believe the little bell next to the subscribe button, hit that so that you get notifications on the new videos. And I'll have plenty more videos coming on the bikes and the shop and so on. So please leave comments. I answer all the questions. And again, please subscribe. So we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.